All right, advent of code, day 14. Here we go. Right, of course. Duh. Okay, sounds alright. That's good. Okay. Or v of 2 ramps around like that, okay. Okay. Sure. Alright, so it was 101. Mm-hmm. Um, Terribly inefficient. I don't care. Mm, okay. Um, Sure. Doesn't into a picture of ew. Oh, that's interesting. Display these. Okay, this is going to be a Chinese remainder problem, isn't it? Oh, this is going to be really interesting. Okay. Christmas tree is then going to be. What slope is that going to be? Guess. Okay. Yeah. Okay, that's good. I mean, the brute force isn't going to work. might work. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Well, nope. I'm gonna be Y. One. Right there. Why is it that my brain is just not doing this? Got 50, 51. Oh, wait, we've got 50 and 51. Duh. So it's just, okay. Why was I thinking this was going to be a 1 by 2? Um, if, okay. Probably that. Um, 1,000, and this is gonna cycle for a long time. Which is what I expected. Okay. So now I can format these as incongruencies. and it should eventually get, yeah, okay. Okay. Yeah, might help if I actually do that. Great. I have 500 to go. That's not bad. Steps, I don't care. I mean, I do care. That's insane, but yeah, okay. Okay, that's the one I want, I believe. Okay, yep. Now, if I did this right, which is a giant if, yeah, giant if. Um, um, So here's the thing, though, actually. How many steps were these? This isn't even actually because. Okay. Yeah, actually, this was probably fine. I probably just. Yeah, thinking about it, I didn't need to bring this out. I probably just have this check wrong. Um. Where is Y? Sorry, where is Y? Oh, okay. Yeah, I had this upside down, which is dumb. Where's my? Okay. Okay. Um. Oh, this isn't gonna work, but let's just try it. Yeah. Ooh, I probably need to print these. Yeah. Fine. 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 Yeah. That's annoying. Um. That's what I could do. I know what I can do. I know what I can do. Um. 4. That is the reverse of what I want in multiple ways. Not only that, actually, okay. Yeah, so I was right. I'm getting this wrong. X equals that. Y here. Just double check. I know so many people finished by now. This is y equals 0. Okay. So I don't even need to. I don't need that. Yes, I want to invert that. There we go. All right, and then do that. And none of you are matching. Okay. Greater than or equal to? So my cycle is what? Yeah, because everything should be done by then. I'm going in the wrong direction. No wonder. Um, that should be the Christmas tree, right? You're telling me that That's like everything. Hold on. Something's really wonky. Um, right, 200, 100. In fact, why am I... That's a weird way to do that. Because that matches everything. Really confused. Wait, most of the robots. Oh. 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 So in that case, um, that is very different than what I was trying to do. Um, then we do this. I'm I'm really confused here. I what am I missing? Picture of a Christmas tree. Isn't that what I'm doing? Okay, so you didn't like 452. Just be super thorough, even though that's redundant states. And then don't need that. Don't need that. No. Oh, wait. Oh, that's just wrong, actually. Okay. So, that was dumb. Um, there we go. Oh, okay. Well, I see the Christmas tree now. Um, how in the world was I supposed to know that was the state? Well, I'm done. I don't even know what my. That's a terrible rank. Okay. I'm gonna be honest. I do not like part two. How are you supposed to find that? Let's skip part two for now. Part one is actually not that bad. So we've got independent. Oh, that is actually. Sorry, I still had that open from earlier when I was optimizing yesterday's solution. Um, today's solution, yeah. So today we've got some independent robots with positions and velocities. And whenever they go around the grid, whenever they go off the grid, they just wrap around. Pretty simple cyclical buffers. Is it really I should be using mod operators and stuff. I just always forget exactly the properties of how mod works in Python whenever you're dealing with a negative number. So I just typically avoid it. This will work just fine. Anyway, part one's pretty easy. We just take these robots, keep applying the x and y velocity, and wrapping around to get the final position after 100 seconds. That's a pretty simple loop. The most complicated part, and what took me a bit of time, was figuring out how to split into quadrants, which took longer than it should have. Really should have taken me less time to just calculate the middle and go to either side. But yeah, I'm calculating this kind of pseudo value, just the x coordinate index and y coordinate index, and using the collection counter to count how many robots end up in each quadrant. So that's pretty easy. Multiply them all together at the end. We got our answer for part one. That's all great. Then we get to part two, which is very vague. Same sort of deal. We've got those robots, need to keep iterating, but then we're looking for a picture of a Christmas tree. And that's very well and good if you can find uh, what the Christmas tree pattern is supposed to be. Obviously, we can see it here now, but there was no description of what this Christmas tree pattern was going to be. I thought it was going to be that they end up being in a overall tree shape here. Um, yeah, I legitimately do not know how you're supposed to discover this. So I don't know the intended solution here because once you know this pattern, you can start looking for it. Yeah, I do not know how you're supposed to find it. Maybe you're supposed to be like looking for when the robots are the most clustered in the center. I don't know. Yeah, I'll be interested to see on the Reddit how people went and determined what the pattern was that they were looking for. I found it by accident. I'm actually really glad that I was printing this here so I could actually see what the pattern is. Um, what was really dumb here was in my first attempt at the solution, I was just I calculated all my scores with my janky function here that took way too long to get right. Um, in the scores were all right, I'm sure. I was just comparing them against the answer, which was then the time value as opposed to the score value. Now it's a really silly mistake. I need to keep both the answer and the best score that I've ever seen to do that comparison. Now, obviously, my scoring function is not correct. So yeah, I'll see on the Reddit how other people went and found this. Um, yeah, definitely not pleased with my performance, but I'm not sure how I would have done better. So hopefully I'll do better tomorrow. And honestly, hopefully we'll get a pathing problem soon because I've been waiting for one for quite a while, and I'm hoping once we get a pathing problem, I'll finally do better. So we'll see if tomorrow we have pathing. But until then, I guess I'm signing off.